Hello, my name is Michelle and I'm participating at And This is Us show 2021 at Frankfurter Kunstverein. In my work I'm especially dealing with my body that functions as a tool in a working process which ends in sculpture, installation or painting. Almost always I'm starting my work with a performative process in which I do casts of my body parts in a traditional way with petrolatum and plaster bandages. From this point I'm developing my sculptures and installation by assembling the body fragments in a different arrangement. Mostly I'm building them up with natural and fragile materials like clay, plaster or earth. Impermanence and fragility of the objects are an essential part of my work. Within my work I'm trying to approach questions I'm asking to the body as a social object. Among others, these questions are: what counts as body? What means identity to a body? When is a body considered as existing? Does my body belongs to me? And whose body am I? I think the interest for the body as an object developed after or during a ballet education I did from 4 years until I was 13 in a ballet academia in Stuttgart. It definitely shaped my view and as well my relationship towards the body. I always got that feeling that there was this stranger ideal of how a body has to look or be like, what really confused me. I really like to work with natural materials because they are kind of have their own life and they are constantly changing. They are impermanent and not long-lasting, but is also an important part of my work. I'm also working in a traditional way with plaster bandages because the translation into the material is very direct. Nearly always I'm starting my work with the bodily interaction. It is definitely always somehow taking a significant role in the process. I would say it's very important to me to interact physical with the material. I really like that. Somehow this is also a significant part of my work. For my work at Frankfurter Kunstverein, I was first thinking about building up a room made out of wood and cartons. It should be like a cave or a cocoon I would rest in and working my way out of the material. In the process, I decided to change the work and work more direct with my body. So for the exhibition now I'm planning to work with mother soil. I wanted to build up sculptures out of it, which are going out from my body. I'm looking forward to see how the sculptures would change during exhibition period, and maybe there would also grow a tree during the months.